Security forces resorted to tear gas shelling and fired a few live rounds in the air to disperse a group of internally displaced persons, IDPs, taking refuge at the Sajiwa relief camp and Samungburn relief camp, who attempted to enter their original homes, leaving 3 IDPs injured. The IDPs, originally from EKOU, DOLAITHABI and SADU YENGKHUMAN, had gathered at Pukhao Terapur since morning and later proceeded with a rally protesting the ongoing Sangai festival and demanding resettlement in their original villages. As the rally reached Dolaithabi Dam, security forces tried to prevent them from proceeding further by erecting barbed wires. However, the protesters removed the barbed wires and started proceeding towards Sadhu YENGKHUMAN. The Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Imphal East, who arrived at the scene along with additional security forces, tried to persuade the IDPs to return to their relief camps, but remained futile. Soon scuffle ensued between the security forces and the protesters, which resulted to the security forces firing tear gas shells and live rounds in the air to disperse the protesters until Pukhao Terapur. The protesters also pelted stones towards the security forces. During the scuffle, 3 IDPs were reportedly injured and a BSF vehicle was partially damaged. Speaking to reporters, a protester stated that the IDPs had decided to return to their original homes due to the government's failure to resettle them despite repeated assurances.
Aku